Friends, in this chapter we are going to learn few more selectors which we are going to use in our daily life coding. Or also while you are going for an interview, they will ask you a few scenarios where you need to use them. So let's see. So I have choose three selectors, which is nth child, which have one parameter which will take something I will explain, then first child and then last child. So let's start with nth child, then we'll go for first child, last child. Yeah. So nth child selector matches every element that is the nth child. So what it is, friend, it is actually taking from the selector. You can see here, this, suppose I have the list, number of list, and this is the li, and I'm choosing nth child, and this nth child takes some parameter that can be odd, even, or any number. Okay, let me explain you with example, you will understand properly. Okay, so here I have list, okay, and I'm making it banana, orange, and coconut. Okay, now my requirement is I want to catch the third list and do some changes in the style sense. Okay, so li nth child parameter and then open and close. Here you can mention the number. Okay, so here 1 2 3 I can put suppose 3, and I'm putting color to red. Save it. Got it, friends? If I'll keep 2, then banana should be, yeah. So this is how we are using nth child with some parameter value. Similarly, what if your requirement or your interviewer will ask you change the color to red only for the even or for the odd number of lists? So you can type here even, you can see, okay, and similarly you can type odd. Okay, friends, so like this you can make it. Friends, this also beneficial when you are using td or tr. If you remember, we have a table structure where one tr is some color and another tr is another color, right? So like pattern you can create with using this nth child. Okay, now let's move about the next two another elements selectors, which are first child and last child. Okay, so first child and last child, what it does, oops, suppose I want to capture the first or the last, then okay, so here no need to give any parameter, and here directly you can give last child. Save it. Okay, friends, similarly you can make it first. So these are the three selectors which usually interviewers asking you. So this is it. Next chapter we'll see something else. Thank you.